Good morning children. In previous class we discussed about varieties of food, about vegetarians and non-vegetarian. Our today's topic is grouping of living organisms on the basis of their food habit. Okay. Autotrophs. Living organisms which can make their own food are called autotrophs. All green plants can make their food by the process of photosynthesis. That is, they can make their food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They are also called producers as they produce food for themselves and for others. Heterotrophs. Living organisms which depend on autotrophs for their food directly or indirectly are called heterotrophs. They are also called consumers, example animals, human beings, etc. On the basis of their eating habits, heterotrophs can be divided into various categories. Herbivores. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Example is cow, buffalo, rabbit, deer, horse, giraffe, etc. Carnivores. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Example lion, snake, eagle, cheetah, vulture, kingfisher, wolf, etc. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example is crows, cockroaches, bears, human beings, etc. Now grouping of living organisms on the basis of their eating habit, whether they eat plants or they eat animal or they eat both. They are divided into two categories, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are those living organisms which can make their own food. These are called autotrophs. All green plants can make their food by themselves by the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Green plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. By this process they prepare their food. They are also called producers, okay, as they produce food for themselves and also for others. Heterotrophs are those living organisms which depend on autotrophs for their food directly or indirectly. They are also called consumers. Examples of heterotrophs is human beings and animal. Human beings or animals. Okay. Autotrophs are called producers. Example is green plants. Heterotrophs are called consumers. Now these heterotrophs are divided into three categories: herbivore, carnivore and omnivores. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores means, herb means plant, vores means to eat. They eat plant or plant parts. Eat plant or plant parts. Examples of herbivores are cow, goat, etc. Okay. Carnivores. Carni means flesh. They eat flesh. Okay. They eat flesh of other animals. Examples are lion, tiger, etc. Omnivores eat both plant as well as the flesh of other animals. They eat both plant as well as flesh. Example is bear, crow, etc. Okay. Now the name giraffe is derived from the Arabic word zarafa. The giraffe is the world's tallest mammal. This is a herbivore animal. World's tallest mammal is giraffe and it is a herbivore. The cheetah is the world's fastest land mammal. It can reach speeds of at least 105 km per hour. These are the facts which we have to remember, you have to learn, okay? Do you know know about insect eating animals. Some plants like Venus flytrap trap an insect in its leaves and digest soft parts of the insect. This plant is found in moist soil which is poor in nitrogen content. This is an example of a plant which is carnivorous in nature. The carnivorous name of carnivorous plant. What is the name of carnivorous plant? There are many names. Venus flytrap is a plant which trap insects and digest the soft part of the insect. They grow in those regions where there is deficiency of nitrogen. Okay. Now the next topic is food chain. Let us discuss the food chain given in the figure. Here green plants are eaten by goat. So goat is a herbivore which in turn is eaten by lion which is carnivore. Man can eat both plants as well as animal. So man is omnivore. Now what is food chain? Green plant is eaten by goat and goat is eaten by lion. Okay. Green plant, goat is herbivore and herbivore is eaten by carnivore, and man eats both green plants as well as flesh. So man is an omnivore. This is called food chain. Okay. Now let us revise. Why do we need food? We need food for nutrition and living. Give two examples of autotrophs. Two examples of autotrophs are plants and algae. What are heterotrophic organisms? Living organisms which depend on autotrophs for their food directly or indirectly are called heterotrophs. Distinguish between vegetarian and non-vegetarian food habits. Now those who eat vegetables or green plants or their parts are called vegetarian. Those who eat both green plants as well as the flesh of other animal are called non-vegetarian. On the basis of eating habits, animals can be divided into how many categories? How many categories? 3 categories: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Now this much for today's class. In next class we will discuss about sources of food. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you children.